Hi everyone. In today's Onshape tech tip, let's talk about 3 options for selecting something that's behind your part in your modeling environment. Let's say we want to pick something that's internal to this housing. The first option, of course, is to hide the housing. Hovering over it, use the shortcut Y on your keyboard to quickly hide the housing. When you want to bring it back, hover over where it was and tap Shift plus Y to restore the part to being visible. The second option is to make it transparent. Hover over the housing and use the shortcut Shift plus T. Any transparent parts, by default, are ignored from selection, so you can easily pick right through it. To turn off the transparency, simply hit the Escape key. Finally, you can use the option Select Other. Let's invoke it from its shortcut key, which is backdash or tilde, the key right above your left tab key on your keyboard. If you continue tapping this key, Onshape cycles through all of the available options without you having to use your mouse to navigate the menu. Hitting Enter at any point will select the previewed item on screen. So there you have it, 3 quick ways to select what's behind a part in your modeling environment. As always, stay tuned each week for more Onshape tech tips.